And good morning. It is late in the morning, almost lunchtime. And we're just kind of getting on the trail. Slept in this morning, which was awesome. That half-gallon challenge put me into a coma. But it was good. I needed to sleep. I've just got to do 28 miles today and tomorrow. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to break it up. I'd like to get into the hotel in Carlisle early tomorrow if I could, to bang out my town chores, laundry and such. So I might try to go hike later tonight. The temp's pretty good right now. And as soon as we get off kind of like this park service trail and into the real woods, I'm sure we'll be totally out of the sun. The Pine Grove Furnace store, they're opened at 9, so up there and had a ginger ale and a Gatorade, and had another one of those buffalo chicken grilled wraps, which was really good. Had that for lunch, so I'm really stuffed now, so I'll probably just eat snacks the rest of the day, honestly. It's nice when you can get that one big meal a day at a store. Everybody was there this morning. Everybody that I've been hiking around, which was really cool. Some of the guys, Busted and Beta Bear, they did the half-gallon challenge this morning, which I would not have wanted to have done it in the morning. I don't know. I think they're only going to do like 11 miles today and then 17 into Carlisle. But I know I couldn't have hiked. I could barely hike to the campsite last night and set my tent up. So good for them, for sure. So we're just going to hike. We got really flat sections coming up the next day and a half. So 28 miles should not be difficult at all. Just listen to some tunes and zombie out a bit. I'll be back in a while. All right, it's 7:30, June. Holy smokes. I'm gonna go with the 24th. I'll have to put an edit here if I'm not right, but I think it is. Should be camped now, but Beta Bear and Busted, they pushed to Boiling Springs, and it's just beautiful right now for hiking. So, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Just doing a video. You can be on my video.
Posting on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
All right, have fun.
Sloggy hikes.
All right, I'll check it out.
Thank you, sir. Have a good night. It's a perfect time of night to hike right now.
Man, this is awesome.
You know, so I was going to stop at the shelter, and I'm like, Boiling Springs is only like 4 miles away.
Yeah.
Any good hotels? Are you familiar with the area?
Well, wait, you looking for a
So anyway, it's the end of the day. That guy actually gave me some good information back there. He's a local. What's this say? The next 16 miles are maintained by the Maryland Club, Mountain Club of Maryland. That's cool. There, you could scan their thing. So if you see a tree down or something, you can send them an email. Huh? That's pretty cool. You know what? I might make myself some kind of QR code for my lean-to that I maintain, so that people could. Oh wow, this looks like it would be a sweet spot to see the sunset. But I'm trying to get into Boiling Springs. It's the Center Point Knob. It's kind of cool. I'll take a picture of this too, but it's kind of like a little rock thing there. But it is just beautiful hiking right now. It's crystal blue skies. The breeze is tremendous. It's the coolest it's been in probably 2 weeks. So I just got to take advantage of it. And down here, when the sun is still so high and it's almost 8 o'clock, it's just nuts. I don't know why I live in Maine. We have so much more of our lives in the daylight if I didn't live in Maine. But anyway, so the town there's a hostel up here. That guy back there told me about. So I'm gonna text them and just see if I can just tent in their yard and pay them in the morning. So that's that. I'm gonna take a picture of this, and this will be it for the night. I'll throw a few more pictures in, but I gotta get hiking because I don't want to get there in the dark, and I don't want to hike in the dark. So I will talk to you all in the morning from Boiling Springs. Have a good night. All right, I said I thought I wouldn't be back tonight, but this is just too cool. This pasture came out of the woods over there, right into a working farm, and they're growing something up here. I don't know quite what it is. A farmhouse over there, farmhouses over there with the sun going down. This is a field. And it is humongous. And the AT goes right through it, which is really cool. Which goes back to something I've thought about the whole time. Like all the land negotiations and right-of-ways and from private owners and corporate and everything else. Can't imagine the paperwork for that. AT sign must have just been daunting, and it probably still is. I know that we were in one section, I think it was right before Front Royal, Virginia, and the guy that had picked us up, the owner of the Apple restaurant there, whatever it was called, he said that just not many years ago they had moved a section of the trail quite a bit because a conservancy group had purchased a bunch of land, like, I don't know, 30 acres or something. And so they moved it off of private onto the conservancy land. So I'm sure it's always evolving. Well, it changes the distance every year. But I don't know what this crop is. I don't want to keep you here too much longer, but I don't know what the big crops are down here. All right, 30 more seconds. I'm hurrying as fast as I can to get up here and see what it is. Corn, maybe? On the right side. On the left side. I don't know what that is. This reminds me of that Kevin Costner movie, Field of Dreams. Like that's his house over there. Huh, I don't know what that is. Maybe somebody else will know. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is corn over here. So, yeah, like the field could be right there. So, it's cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep hiking.